Hello, today I'm going to talk about external login with Twitter account. We will configure our Twitter application to let our project connect and authenticate users. I am Lars from Digiterry. Let's begin. In the first lesson of external login, we have already configured our application for the Facebook external login. Now we will add one more, Twitter. For this purpose, we Google first Twitter out client Yii2. So a small typo, Yii2. So we go to documentation and we can see here that in configuration we will just add one more item in the clients array. So I go to my configuration, in the clients I just add one more, it's a Twitter. So as you can see here, there is a consumer key and consumer secret we will get from our Twitter developers account. We will create a new application. We go to application twitter.com. So we see here Twitter application management. If you don't have an account, just create it and then you will create a new application. We will name it Acme. Description is Acme project, what you want. So website. As you can see here, if you don't have an URL yet, just put a placeholder, but remember to change it later. We don't have a real URL for now, because this URL must be public, but we are now testing locally, so that's why I'll just put some dummy, HTTPS, something like this, localhost.com, maybe localhostacme.com. So then, yes, I agree, and we create a new application. So we'll just, Acme is already taken, so it must be then unique. We just say Acme, new project, for example. So the client application failed validation, not a valid URL format. Okay, we'll try it like this. So it's just a dummy, so it's not that important. So now we have created new one. As you can see here in key and access tokens, we can get our consumer key. We just copy it and put in our configuration, and then copy the consumer key. So let's check now permissions. We go to permissions, and here actually we just need read only, and we need also the email address from the user. So for now it says that we need to put URL of our terms and conditions and privacy. So we go to our settings and we put also some dummy URL here. So here we have a privacy policy, terms of service. So I just say here in privacy we say just, in policy we say policy, and then we say here terms. And also callback URL, I'll just copy in mine here, localhost Acme. So we just need this as well. And then we save it. Then we go to permissions. So we say we just need to read, and we need also email address. So has been saved successfully. So now we'll just try. We go to login, we go to Twitter. As you can see, authorize Acme new project to your account. And as you can see, we can only read tweets, see who you follow, and see your email address. I say, okay, I agree. I'm redirecting to my localhost Acme. And as you can see, I'm logged in. Let's quickly check our database. As you can see in out, we have here no new record. Here's a Twitter, user ID is 16, and source ID, it's my ID in Twitter. And I can go to users, and you can see here there's a new user. So there is not new user, actually the user was existing already. As you can see, 16 here, status 1. That's all for this time. We have configured our Twitter application to let users use their Twitter account to sign in. In the next video, we will configure our Google application to let users sign in, and therefore we will finalize our external login part of the course. Thanks for watching. I wish you much fun with coding and good luck.